up, my queens? I'm back, y'all, with another tutorial, and it's gonna be on this cut crease brush. And I am gonna be showing you all how to get your brush flat. So stay tuned, keep watching. Also, subscribe to my channel. Most definitely subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below. Thumbs up, like, comment, share. And we're just gonna go right ahead and jump into this video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what you wanna do is take your glitter primer. And what you wanna do is put some on your hand like so. Just add a little bit, but not. And what you want to do is take your brush and just dab it in there like that. And then what you want to do is just take it in, do it like that. Also, make sure you have like a piece of paper towel or anything, you know, so you'll be able to get like the essence off the brush. And basically what you're doing is just getting the product out of it. And this is gonna make your brush flat, so if you like your cut crease on point like I do, this is most definitely the step for you. And it should look like something like this. Take our L.A Girl Adhesive, or you can take any adhesive, any kind. for this cut crease flat brush tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my